Okay, so these are the little quite simple modifications, just in case that you need to avoid the hair always be trapped in the course of this part of the Roomba. So it's very simple. We just put out this part and we substitute it with the other second part that goes just in case that you have problems with the first one. It's very simple. You can see that this different size, but it's going to work anyway. The other thing that we do is we take this, just one moment. As you can see, it's very simple. We just put this, trap it in the door of the Roomba. It's very simple to do it, and you don't need to modify anything. So let's see how it works. It's really good for the corners, because otherwise you can have problems in that case. But as you see, when it turns around, it really gets the mopping effect. You can change it and do it with a wet mop. So you have mainly a lot of possibilities. Look at that.